Salads are very healthy part of diet. Salads keep you fit and healthy. Today I'm going to show you tasty, healthy, protein-rich salad with red kidney beans. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special red kidney beans salad with chicken. Take 300 grams of red kidney beans, wash and soak them overnight. Now take 300 grams of boneless chicken. Into this add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Now mix chicken pieces with masalas. When chicken is well coated with masalas, cover with stretch film and refrigerate it for overnight. Next day, take the red kidney beans. Look, beans became double in size. Drain the water and wash with fresh water. And cook in pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and pour water to cover the beans. Now cook them until the beans become softer. Usually in pressure cooker it will take 5 to 6 whistles in medium flame. Until beans get ready, we'll prepare chicken. Our chicken is ready. Now we will fry the chicken on the pan. You can even bake in the oven. Heat up the pan. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Place the chicken pieces and fry them on medium flame. Rotate the chicken pieces periodically so that the chicken cook evenly. You can taste one piece and check if it cooked enough or not. When chicken cooked enough, take out from the pan. Look, our beans also ready. Take the boiled beans out of water. Now take 2 boiled eggs. Separate yolk and white. Cut them into cubes. Try to cut the yolk without making it into powder. After boiled egg, take 100 grams of cheese and cut into small cubes. After the cheese, take the fried chicken and cut into small pieces as well. When cutting part is done, take boiled red kidney beans. Add one by one starting with boiled eggs. cheese cubes, chicken. Give it a mix gently. If you mix harder, you may powder the egg yolk and mash the beans. When all four mixed well, add pink salt or regular salt to taste. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder and garlic mayonnaise or any other mayonnaise to taste. But garlic mayonnaise gives the best taste. Now mix gently to coat the mayonnaise evenly. Here I use 100 grams of mayonnaise. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. That's it. Our tasty, healthy protein-rich salad is ready.